Look up at the night sky. What do you see? Is it just a blanket of darkness, or do you see the twinkling lights of countless stars, each one a distant sun? In the darkness, countless stars glimmer like distant diamonds, each one a beacon of light in the vast expanse of space. Each one is a sun, perhaps with its own planets, orbiting in a delicate dance of cosmic harmony. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, holds billions of stars. And beyond our galaxy, there are countless more, each with its own mysteries and wonders. Trillions more galaxies fill the universe, each one a vast collection of stars, planets, and possibly life. The universe is vast, incredibly vast. It's a realm so immense that it defies our comprehension. It's hard to grasp the sheer scale of it all. From our tiny vantage point on Earth, the universe seems infinite. Yet, amidst this immensity, we find ourselves on this tiny planet, asking a profound question: are we alone? Is there anyone out there looking back at us? For centuries, humans have gazed at the stars and wondered if other beings might be looking back. We've always been curious about our place in the cosmos. We've sent probes into the void and listened for faint signals, hoping to find a sign of life beyond our world. Still, the universe remains silent. Or does it? Perhaps we just haven't learned to listen properly yet. The search for extraterrestrial life is a search for ourselves. It's a quest to understand who we are and where we come from. It's a quest to understand our place in the grand scheme of the cosmos. Are we a unique phenomenon, or are we part of a vast, interconnected web of life? Are we unique, or are we part of a universe teeming with life? The possibilities are as endless as the stars themselves. The answer remains elusive, but the search itself is a testament to the boundless curiosity of the human spirit. It's a journey that defines us, pushing us to explore, to dream, and to reach for the stars. The sheer number of stars in the universe is staggering. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing countless points of light, each one a distant star. Think of all the grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Each grain represents a star, and there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on our planet. That's a big number, right? Now multiply that number by 1,000 million. The vastness of space is almost beyond human comprehension. You're getting closer to the number of stars in the observable universe. Each one of these stars could potentially host planets, some of which might be similar to Earth. In 1961, astronomer Frank Drake devised an equation to estimate the number of detectable civilizations in our galaxy. This was a groundbreaking moment in the search for extraterrestrial life. This equation, now known as the Drake equation, considers factors like the rate of star formation, the fraction of stars with planets, and the likelihood of life arising on those planets. It's a complex formula that brings together many scientific disciplines. While the Drake equation doesn't give us a definitive answer, it does suggest that the conditions for life could be common throughout the universe. The discovery of exoplanets has only fueled this possibility. If even a tiny fraction of those planets harbor intelligent life, the galaxy should be buzzing with activity. So where is everyone? This question, often referred to as the Fermi paradox, continues to intrigue scientists and enthusiasts alike. In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi posed a simple yet profound question: where is everybody? This question, now known as the Fermi paradox, highlights the discrepancy between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of evidence for it. There are many possible explanations for the Great Silence. Perhaps interstellar travel is simply too difficult or too expensive. Maybe alien civilizations are deliberately hiding from us, observing us from a distance. Or perhaps the most unsettling possibility, civilizations tend to destroy themselves before reaching interstellar travel. Another chilling possibility is that we are truly alone. Could it be that the universe is a vast and empty stage and we are the only actors? The thought is both humbling and terrifying. One possible answer to the Fermi paradox is the Great Filter theory. This theory attempts to explain why we haven't encountered any signs of extraterrestrial civilizations despite the vastness of the universe and the high probability of life elsewhere. This theory suggests that there are a series of barriers that prevent life from arising, evolving intelligence, or achieving interstellar travel. These barriers or filters could be natural or self-inflicted, and they may occur at different stages of a civilization's development. These filters could be anything from catastrophic asteroid impacts and deadly gamma-ray bursts to self-inflicted destruction through nuclear war or climate change. Each of these events has the potential to wipe out life or halt its progress. If the Great Filter exists, the question becomes, where is it in relation to our own civilization? Have we already overcome the most significant barriers, or are the most challenging ones still ahead of us? Have we already passed through the most significant filters, suggesting that intelligent life is exceedingly rare? This would mean that we are among the few, if not the only intelligent beings in the cosmos, or are there still major hurdles ahead of us, challenges that have already extinguished countless other civilizations? If so, we must be vigilant and proactive in overcoming these potential threats. The possibility that we are alone in the universe is a sobering thought. It forces us to consider the fragility and uniqueness of our existence. It means that we are the custodians of consciousness, the sole inheritors of billions of years of cosmic evolution. The responsibility is immense. We must cherish and protect our planet, ensuring that we do not become another failed civilization in the vast history of the universe. The Great Filter forces us to confront some uncomfortable truths about ourselves. We are a young species, prone to conflict and driven by self-interest. We are capable of incredible acts of creation, but also of unimaginable destruction. Look at our own history. We've witnessed devastating wars, environmental degradation, and the ever-present threat of nuclear annihilation. Are these signs that we are approaching a filter of our own making, a test that we are destined to fail? Or can we learn from the mistakes of hypothetical civilizations past? Can we overcome our self-destructive tendencies and become a truly spacefaring species? The answer, of course, lies within us. Section 6. Alone in the void, a universe for us? If we are truly alone, it changes everything. The universe becomes a very different place, a stage set for us to explore and define. The responsibility to preserve life, to learn and grow, becomes even more profound. Imagine a universe where humanity is the sole custodian of knowledge, art, and culture. It's a daunting thought, but also an exhilarating one. We would be the universe experiencing itself, the only ones capable of unraveling its mysteries and appreciating its beauty. The universe is filled with wonders, from swirling nebulae to colossal black holes. If we are the only ones here to witness it, then it falls upon us to explore it, to understand it, and to cherish it. Section 7. New Eyes on the Cosmos. The search continues. The search for extraterrestrial life is not just about finding aliens. It's about understanding ourselves, our place in the universe, and our potential. And despite the silence, there is reason for hope. New telescopes and technologies are being developed that will allow us to peer deeper into the cosmos than ever before. We are searching for biosignatures on distant planets, listening for faint whispers across the interstellar void, and developing new ways to search for evidence of advanced civilizations. The James Webb Space Telescope, the successor to Hubble, is already revolutionizing our understanding of the universe. With its powerful instruments, we can analyze the atmospheres of exoplanets for signs of life. Section 8. Our place among the stars, a question for the ages. The question of whether or not we are alone in the universe is one of the most profound questions humanity has ever asked. It's a question that has captivated philosophers, scientists, and dreamers for centuries. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we must keep this question at the forefront of our minds. It's a question that forces us to confront our own mortality, our place in the grand scheme of things, and the very meaning of life itself. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of wonders yet to be discovered. It's a universe that we are only beginning to understand. And somewhere out there, amidst the stars and galaxies, the answer to our question awaits. Section 9. What do you see in the darkness? As you gaze up at the night sky tonight, take a moment to ponder the vastness of it all. Imagine the countless stars, the distant planets, and the possibility of other beings looking back at us. What do you see in the darkness? Do you see a universe teeming with life, a cosmic symphony of civilizations? Or do you see a lonely void, a silent stage upon which humanity plays out its lonely drama? Whatever you see, remember that the search for answers is just as important as the answers themselves. The universe is full of mysteries, and it's up to us to unravel them. So keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the wonders of the cosmos.